Hey guys, what's going on? MacMage here, and I am about to do the unboxing for the Anker Soundcore2 budget Bluetooth speaker. I'm actually doing this after recording the review, which is great because I forgot to tell you guys something. I was going to do a test as far as sound, but the reason that I did not do one is because due to the variables in measuring sound, unless I'm actually talking in decibels, which the average customer really won't understand, you know, just because it's hard to really put like a sound to a decibel number, there's really no way to get an honest test done because it depends on the my device volume when recording, your device volume upon listening, distance to the product. There's just the microphone, the quality of the microphone, which on the iPad, this is a 5th generation iPad, it seems to pick up a lot of the background noise. And so even if I had an actual mic, it would probably not sound the best, and plus it depends on the mic you're using. There's just a lot of variables that go into doing sound tests that I didn't think I could give you an honest and reliable sound test, which is why I just didn't bother with one. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, and then we'll go on with the review. So I went ahead and undid some of the cellophane so there wasn't a whole lot of like crinkling and stuff. So this is basically what it looks like when you open it up. And I don't remember, oh yeah, I did. I actually did get all this notification stuff. This is basically a customer, like a quick start guide, and then it gives you like a happy customer service thing on the back, like are you happy, satisfied with your purchase, yada yada yada. This is just a quick start guide. And then this is of course the owner's manual. I already have one of those, but I'll just keep it. And then here's the product under this recycled paper. Look at that. Has the Anker logo right here on the side, and then if you flip it over, has the Anker logo emblazoned. It's got really simple buttons, and I bet you, like the last one, it came charged as well. Let's see. Yep, sure did. Came charged. Let's see if it connects. May not, but that's alright. I'll show you guys how easy this thing is to pair. Go ahead, pop over to my settings. Bluetooth. Alright, so in my settings you can see that I have a Soundcore2 speaker which is connected now. Then I have this one as well, so let's see if I can connect this one too. There it goes, they're both connected now. I don't know for certain if they will both play out of the same, like if they'll both play out of the different speakers. Because I have one over here off to the right. Let's go ahead and see if it will play. Okay, I got some royalty-free music queued up here on YouTube. This is by RMF, or wait, yeah. See if that'll play. So it's only playing out of one, it's not playing out of the other. Yeah, so even though both are connected, it's only playing out of one, not the other. So that you can't, unfortunately, with your iPhone, you can't use more than one at a time. That's the older one. Keep that over there. So yeah, so it's easy to pair, super easy to pair. You just can't play two speakers on your iPhone. However, on your Fire TV stick, that may be a different story, so that might be another test for another video. But that is the unboxing, and just to let you know, this one didn't come with any cables. Oh, no, wait, I lied, my bad. I'm a total liar. I totally, look. So I opened up the box, and I went in there, didn't see anything, but it's because this right here are the cables. Look at that. Alright, so, how do you open that up? Pop that open like that. And then in here, it has another micro USB cable. I have like 50 billion around the house, but it never hurts to have an extra. So yeah, that's pretty much all that there is to this. There's nothing else in the box. That's it. Just the item and the micro USB cable, and that's all you got. So here's the new one. Let's get into the review. Hey guys, MacMage here, and I wanted to talk to you about this awesome product. This is the Anker Soundcore2 Bluetooth speaker. This is supposed to be a budget Bluetooth speaker. This is sold on Amazon for about $39.95. When I bought it, there was a $5 coupon to get $5 off. And if it is still going on, if that deal is still going on, I will definitely notate that in the description, in the more information section, so you guys can check one of these out for the awesome price I paid for it. So this is not a affiliate video. This is not a discounted review. This is something that I personally purchased because I was in need of a sound speaker for my home to play music. So this is just my honest opinion, as all reviews are. But this one is not in any way sponsored. Well, none of my reviews are sponsored, but so yeah, I just want to go ahead and let you guys know about this awesome product. So I'll break it down into pros and cons, but first, before I get into that, I want to just go over the features of this product. So let me go ahead and grab the actual product. Sorry, I'm getting used to the new iPad that I have. It's a little difficult. Okay, so here's the actual device itself. There's really nothing to it. So let me go ahead and just kind of bring this closer a little bit. Okay, so that's what the device looks like. So just to give you some idea of the size of this speaker, this is my iPhone 6s Plus. You can see that the item is almost as long as the iPhone, but much slimmer, like how it measures up. The controls are super simple, and you can see they are raised buttons, so you have the power is indicated by that light there that's flashing. Unless it just died. No, there it goes. Okay, so there's the power button, there's the minus volume, play, and plus volume, as well as Bluetooth is indicated by that blue light there. If you swing it over this way, you have the this is like this little notch port thing. You have to kind of really work to open that up, and you have an auxiliary cable as well as the micro USB cable, which it comes with, to charge the device. And it goes in really tight so that it doesn't just fall out, because this is made to be water resistant. My apartment is about 425 square feet, and if I'm on one side of the apartment, I can have it diagonally across the apartment and still hear it really well, to the point where I can sometimes have to turn it down just so I don't disturb the neighbors. So yeah. So some pros for this, as the box states, it's got enhanced music sound, or enhanced audio sound. It's got 24 hours of playtime, which I would say that it gets close to that, if not more, depending. And then also it is water resistant. Clear, crisp bass. It has clear, crisp treble. I like a lot of beat-centric music, like dubstep and trance and whatnot. And this handles everything really, really well. The one bad thing that I will say about this item is that for some reason the microphone on this item, and I'm not sure, because this particular item was defective. I'm not sure if it's just the item or if it's the product in general, but the microphone capabilities of this product are subpar. I can't talk to anyone over the phone on this thing like you're supposed to be able to do unless I'm holding it like a microphone. It is supposed to allow you to take calls from wherever you are, like with the speaker, but no matter where I am, whoever I'm talking to, they cannot hear me unless I pick the thing up and like I talk on it. The customer service for Anker is just as great. So for whatever reason, this device just stopped working, like it stopped charging. I can get it to about 20% battery life and then it stops. I don't know why. It worked fine the first couple of times I charged it, but then it just stopped working at all. So I called Anker and I spoke to a customer service rep. He said that he would be sending me an email, and that email is going to ask me to follow some steps and they will release a replacement to me. So I thought it was just going to be a big old hassle like TomTop was. No. So I hung up with the representative. About 2 minutes later, I received the email. It wanted a picture of my device and a picture of the serial number. And so I sent him those pictures, responded via the email. He had an email right back to me the next day stating that if I can verify the address, he'll release the item. So I verified my address. He released the item. Even with Memorial Day weekend, I still had this within less than a week. So I thought I was going to get a refurbished model. No, they sent me one that was in box and within the wrapper still. So I still have to cut this cellophane off in order to get into the item because they sent me a brand new item, not a refurbished one, a brand new item. And with the old item, since it's not charging, then they just told me to recycle the old item, and that would be that. I don't even have to send it back. So yeah, I would say my experience thus far has been amazing. I will update you guys as to how this product works out and if I have any problems charging this one or if I have any problems at all with this item. I will go ahead and update if that needs to be updated. One other thing I did want to let you know is that this does make some sounds when connecting. So if you power it off, it makes a sound. Then when you power it on, I'm going to move this over here so you can hear it. Then when you power it on, and then finally when it connects, that means that it's connected to your Bluetooth. The pairing process is super simple. The difference between this and the original Soundcore is that this one is water resistant. That's, I think, the only difference. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.